Hi guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our previous video we did study of the mouth, and I promised to draw the mouth smiling, that is to draw the teeth, because most artists they usually have challenges in drawing the teeth. So today I want to teach you guys how to draw the teeth with the lips and all. So let's start with the sketch. So now I'm trying to draw the upper lips. The upper is usually like letter M. Then here is the lower lips. So this is just a sketch of the mouth and the teeth. In my previous video I told us that human face are bilaterally symmetrical, that is what you have in this part is also what you have here. So now if it is bilaterally symmetrical, that is straight like this part you have your central incisors, the first one, then the second incisors, then the canine will be here. Same thing here, the central incisors, that is the left central incisors, then you have the lateral incisors, then you have your canine. So with this is a sketch of a teeth of a mouth. I mean, I told us in my previous video that if you want to shade, you shade from where to where? Talk now, let me hear you. You shade from darker region, right? Darker region. So this part now, here will be dark normally, and also inside here will be a little bit dark. So this is a gum. So you have a gum here. This is another gum here. So just follow up. I'm not copying the teeth from anywhere. I'm just drawing it from head. So I might want to make some correction while trying to shade, just to make it okay. Now you have the darker part here too. Now let's shade the upper lip. In my previous video I told us that the upper lips is usually very dark, right? Because some of the biological features and all. So always very dark, because sometimes we tend to lick our lower lips. That's why lower lips is kind of very lighter than upper lips. So here I am shading the upper lips. From that last video I told us that if you want to shade the lips because of the breakage and all, what method did I ask us to use? Method of shading? Cross hashing. Yes, cross hashing, that is like this, so that you can put the effect of the breakage of the lips. Cross hashing is like this is hashing, then you cross it. Then with this method you add the effect of the breakage of the lips. Am I too fast? Or I'm too slow?
It's okay.
Alright, thank you. Now the lower lip, not as dark as the upper lips. And mind you, I'm using the charcoal block to do my shading. So you can also get your charcoal block from any art store closer to you. So now, what I just did now, I created an highlight here. You know, I shaded the darker region first, also here, the darker region, then create an highlight here. So don't forget, you don't do your shading from light to dark. You get, if you do it that way, you won't be able to maintain the tone of whatever you are drawing. So that's why I did the darker region first, then I blended it to where? Yeah, yes. So under the lips, you usually have what? The shadow too, isn't it? Like I said before, drawing is very easy, is it not? So if you have a question, anything you want to ask me at all, you can actually ask in the comment section. I'll be there to answer any kind of question bothering you concerning drawing. And please like my video now and subscribe. If you have not subscribed before, please do it and subscribe right now. You know, it will encourage me to do more. And if you want me to draw any part of the body, you know, you can also comment, and we can also we can actually do it here. You understand? Thank you so much for subscribing. I know you just press the subscribe button now. Now let's shade the teeth. You know, sometimes most artists, even me when I was coming up, you know, as an upcoming artist, I usually leave the teeth white. But you don't do it that way. There's a reflection on the teeth and other things. So you just have to shade. Okay, let's create our reflection here. The teeth is not just that 100% white. To make it realism, you just have to shade. Then this part too. So from this region, this side, there will also be a dark effect coming from here. Don't just leave here white. It won't be white like that. Like something like this. One of the teeth is there, but you just have to shade. So here will be darker than the central incisors. And also the same effect here. I've begged us, not just warning, I beg that we should not blend with our finger. If you know your hand is oily, it will mess up your work. Don't blend with your finger. For me, I just have to do it for the sake of the job, you know. I want it to be very fast. But assuming I'm working, doing a commission for somebody, I will use brush. We have other blending materials, right? Blending materials such as we have brush, right?
Yes, sir.
We use tissue paper. What else now? What else do you use?
Blending stump.
Blending stump and we use foam. Even some people use the handkerchief. You know that. So, but handkerchief is suitable if you are doing your art on canvas. So this is how to draw a human teeth, the mouth and the teeth all together. So guys, thank you for staying tuned, and if you have any question you can ask on the comment section and I'll be there to reply. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. See you next time.